In India, we have desert. So that is our western desert. So let us discuss the western desert. See here children. So this is our western desert. See here. This is the western desert. It is the Great Indian Desert. It is also known as Thar Desert. So this is Thar Desert. Here you have Aravalli Hills. It is full of rocky and sandy. It stretches from Rann of Kutch in Gujarat through Rajasthan to the border of Haryana. See here, I have a model of a desert. See children, this is the model of a desert. What is a desert? Desert is a big sandy area, hot and dry climate which receives very little rainfall in the desert. See here children, deserts have sand dunes. Small hills of sand is called sand dunes. The land of the desert is covered with a thick sheet of loose sand. At some places, there are small hills of sand is called sand dunes. See here, sand dunes. This is sand dunes. Small hills of sand called sand dunes. Sometimes strong wind which blow here carry a large amount of sand with them. Sand dunes do not stay one place. They shift from one place to another. There are very few streams in a desert. They mostly remain dry. Here, Luni is the important river. It is a seasonal river. It flows through the Thar Desert. At some places, oases are found. See here, children, this is an oasis. Oasis means a land, a green land surrounding the water source in a desert. So this is we call an oasis. Land around an oasis is fertile. So people grow food crops here. Most of the villages are situated around an oasis because they get more water here, so they live around an oasis. Climate of the desert. It remains hot and dry throughout the year. There is very little or sometimes no rainfall. It receives less than 5 cm rain in a year. In Western Ghats gets heavy rainfall, but in desert gets poor rainfall. Here in summer days are too hot In winter, days are warm and nights are very cold because sand gets heated up very quickly. In desert, so very hot in desert. So let us discuss the natural vegetation of the desert. Already you know that, children, here very little rainfall, hot and dry climate. So there is hardly any vegetation. Here we find some bushes, some thorny shrubs and cactus, and we find here some trees like palm tree, kikar, khejri and babul. Tree grows in the northeastern part of the Rajasthan. Most of the plants have thorns and long and strong stems. Here we find some animals like camels, blackbugs, chinkaras and great Indian bustards. Here camel is the most useful animal in a desert. It is also known as the ship of the desert. It is a major mode of transport in a desert because it has the unique ability to go for days on end without food or water. And it is useful to carry heavy loads across the long distances. Humans have used camels their milk, meat, leather, wool and even dung also. Camels also used plowing fields as well as drawing water from the wells. Next, water supply in the desert. Here very little water, so village women walk miles of long distances to bring water. So the state government of India is trying to provide water for domestic use and irrigation. Water from river Sutlej brought to the desert has been brought to the desert through canal, that is Indira Gandhi Canal. It is a long canal. It is 500 kilometer long canal. It provides water to the northwestern part of the Rajasthan. It helps the desert tackle water shortage faced in households and farms too. More and more land now being brought to the under cultivation like jowar, bajra, wheat Jaisalmer Fort is also known as Golden Fort. It is a big tourist attraction. Here, Ghumar and Kalbiliya are famous folk dances in Rajasthan. Most